Good morning, everyone. So, this is our second week for the second quarter. And our topic for this morning is all about the enhancing and decorating products. Okay. So, let's have first our pre-test. So, all you have to do is to identify the statement carefully in enhancing and decorating finished products. So, write only the letter of the correct answer. So, for number one, bamboo decoration often means finding something of your tastes that brings meaning to your room. So is it bamboo decor, paint, varnish, bamboo pen stand, lighter, or bamboo base? So the answer is letter A, which is bamboo decor. Next, it is a decorative bamboo container used as an ornament or for displaying cut flowers. So what is your answer? The answer is letter F, bamboo vase. Next, let's proceed to number 3. It is a bamboo object for holding pens, pencils, etc., especially one that is placed on a desk. What is your answer? Okay, so that is bamboo pen stand. Okay, next for number 4. This is a colored substance which is spread over a surface and dries to leave a thin decorative or protective coating. Your answer is? The correct answer is paint. Next, let's proceed to number 5. The last question for our pretest. Resin dissolve resin dissolve in a liquid for applying on wood, metal, or other materials to form a hard, clear, shiny surface when dry. So what is this? So the answer is, what is your answer? Okay, so the answer is letter C, that is varnish. Okay, so now let's proceed to our topic. What is enhancing, decorating, and product? So let's discuss each first. Okay, so enhancing means adding something extra to make it better. Another, making something more attractive. Increase the value, improve the quality. Intensify, raise to a higher degree. So when we are enhancing, meaning we are improving our quality. Okay, so making we are intensifying our product. Okay, and how about decorating? Decorating is making something more attractive or beautiful by adding extra items to it. Okay, so that is decorating. And how about the product? Product is an artifact that has been created by someone. So the finished product, or this is the result of the this is the result or the product. And then another term for it, because you have a product, you have a commodity that is offered for sale. So what is enhancing and decorating products? So enhancing and decorating product is the process of improving the quality of products by decorating it to make it more attractive, presentable, and saleable to the customers. So that is enhancing and decorating products. Now, why is it importance or what is the importance of enhancing and decorating products? Why is it? It is very important for us to enhance and decorate our products. Okay, so for the product or to make the product more functional, durable, and saleable to customers. So what is the importance of enhancing and decorating bamboo and wood metal products? So the first one, customers are easily attracted to a well-decorated product. Napapawaw sila. So, or it can entice customers to buy the product even when with its face value. And then improves the quality of the work. it can increase also the sales. And because the sale is increasing, the result, it can bring more profit. Okay? So now, let's discuss about the different methods, techniques in enhancing and decorating finished products. So first, we have here woodcraft and bamboo enhancing techniques. So there are different variety to enhance the woodcraft and bamboo enhancing techniques, or different methods to enhance the bamboo. Okay, so the first one is wood turning. So when we are talking about wood turning, it is a process of using a lathe to make various forms and shapes of wood. Ito yung sinishape using the lathe. Sinishape niya yung kahoy or yung wood. Next, we have hand carving. It is considered a woodcraft using a sharp object to create design on the wood. Various textures and surfaces can be created using this technique. Tools such as chip carving knife and chisels are used. Next, we have pyrography. So pyrography is considered an art using fire or heat to decorate wood or leather. So this one, the one that you see here, is an example of pyrography. This one, pyrography. Next, let's proceed to flocking. Flocking is the technique that lines the interior of the drawers and boxes with a soft velvety finish. So this is an example of flocking. Inlaying. So what is inlaying? Inlaying is the several combines several techniques that involve inserting pieces into a vase object to incorporate new designs on the original product. This one is an example of inlaying. So inserting pieces into a vase, like this one. Next, we have letter F, gilding. So gilding is a technique in which powder is applied on wood or other materials to give a thin coating of gold. Methods of this technique include gluing, chemical gilding, and electroplating. Next, we have staining. So stains are used to color the stains wood and give the illusion of texture. This may come in two variety. First, pigments based stain color large parts of the wood, while dye based stain color small parts of the wood. So large pores, pigments used for large pores, while dye based stain is used for small pores of the wood. And we have this one, painting. So painting is considered the simplest way of decorating wood since there is a variety of colors that you can choose from. So very simple. You are just painting your product, okay? One may also add a lacquer finish to make it shinier and glossier. Next, let's proceed to metal craft enhancing techniques. So first we have engraving. So as you can see here, uh, this picture shows engraving to metal. It is a method of transferring a design on metal using a hardened steel tool called burin or graver to cut into the surface of the metal. Next, we have etching. Etching is the process used to make designs or pictures on a metal plate by using acid that produce corrosive action. So coating metal with an acid, that would be the result, the one that you see on the monitor. Next, adding metal enhancers. So adding metals such as metal paints, Copic makers, and antiquing kits that give color to the metal product. That is one. So this one is an example of metal enhancers. It enhances the color of the metal. Next, making image transfers. Though it is not an easy technique, there are two ways to do it. The first uses is a transfer medium called Omnigel, and the other uses a water slide decal. So I have here the example of Omnigel. So using Omnigel, and then that one. And letter E, texturing and embossing. So when we are talking about texturing, it, it is a technique that you need hammers, metal stamps, stencils, and other materials to create imprints on the metal. So it is a lot of fun, and almost anything can be used to create an interesting patterns. I like that one. Okay, using resins. So what is resins? It is a coating or it is a finishing technique often used in place of paint to protect and decorate the surface of metal objects. So resins have different uses. It is now used together with different materials to create wonderful crafts that such as this picture. Okay. So for self-check 1.1, you need to identify each of the methods or techniques in enhancing and decorating finished products. So number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10. Okay, then the next activity, you need to choose the letter of the correct answer. So number 1, it is considered a wood craft in which a sharp object is used to create designs on the wood. Is it hand carving, yielding, or inlaying? All you have to do is to choose the correct answer and write it on the space provided. Okay, 4 questions only. So that's it. So thanks for watching. I hope that you learned something from this video. So please like and subscribe.